case the client wants to see the actual building, you can just take the curtain away, and then you can show Parklinks North and Parklinks South actual construction status.
Oh,
Yeah.
this building is almost done, okay?
So magkakaroon siya dito ng mga LEDs here.
Wala pa na, no?
Yeah. And then, as you can see here, para siyang sa Glorieta, di ba, meron sa taas yung parang open, open garden. And then may mga shops and restaurants here. Yeah. And then, magkakaroon dito ng mga entertainment zone. Supposed to be dapat dito yung sports center eh. But because merong vacant lot there na supposed to be for Avida, doon na lang nilagay yung sports center. And then supposed to be this is BPOs, but I think gagawin na itong mga offices for lease. So pwede siyang rentahan ng mga multinational companies. Yeah. Yeah. So this is going to be the lobby for Parklinks South, and then there's another for Parklinks North. So all amenities are separate. So they have their own pool, kiddie pool, lap pool, and then social hall, function hall. The only shared amenity will be the outdoor playground and the multi-purpose court here.
Roof, yung multi-purpose court, open siya.
Yeah, wala siyang roof.
Saan yun?
Here po.
Oo nga, no?
Yeah. Parang pwede ata siyang gawing tennis court, basketball court, pickleball court.
Ito roof parking for the mall?
Yes, this is for the mall here. Ito yung sa mga residents ng building, ng Parklinks North and South. So all units comes with parking and they have their own balconies.
Ano na-notice mo sa park?
Yeah.
Ano na-notice mo sa park?
Okay.
Ano siya? Aside from that.
Reaching the condo?
Ano?
Po.
Ano pa? Like, ano napansin niyo sa park?
Do you notice anything sa parking ng Parklinks North and South and the mall?
Walang basement. It's all
Yeah, it's all podium. Yeah.
No base. I cannot see the base.
Hello, Kat.
I assume that there's a basement.
Pag may podium parking na marami usually walang basement.
Oo, andito pa. Oo. Oo. Oh. May. Wala na. Wala. Ubos na. Okay.